Hi everyone, welcome to Harloc Hair Guide. I am co-founder Sarah Rose and this is my beautiful friend Mara. She is an unbelievably talented model, beauty guru, and now mom. Thank you so much for being here with us today, Mara.
Thank you for having me. I'm so happy to be here.
I'm so excited to get some Harloc back in your hair.
Me too. I cannot wait.
So today we're going to be installing the custom fusion extensions for Mara. Have you tried many different forms of extensions yourself in the past?
Let's see, let's go down the list. Because I've been
Say, which form have you not tried?
I've literally been getting extensions since I was like 18. Oh my God, that was 10 years ago.
Don't need that.
So, tape, I've tried weft, I've tried weave. I don't know if that's different than weft. I've tried beaded, I've tried, don't judge me, but I've tried glue. That may have been in high school. And I've tried the fusion. I've pretty much tried, if there's a different technique, I've tried it. And I'm really picky, and I find that since going so many years of like trying different things, I'm finally starting to get to figure out what I love the most. I am very picky these days because I think I've gone through so many phases of hair extensions that I have come to the point of I just want the best of the best because it's just not worth it. I can't tell you how many times I've had like nightmares, and now I have this like hair in my head that's just like getting frizzy, it doesn't go with my texture. Anyways, I like Harloc because number one, the quality is like the best you can get. I find that the texture goes really well with my natural texture, so it comes off very natural, and it looks amazing, and it styles great. You can color them. It's great quality.
I feel like I've explained to you in the past, you know, a big part as to why Michael and I got into wanting to launch Harloc. We found besides texture and, you know, those sorts of things with the hair industry, it is really tough to understand what goes on prior to the hair being installed, you know? And I know for myself and for Michael, a huge part of why we want to start Harloc is we ethically source our hair.
Yeah.
So knowing that the hair in which the women are cutting is actually being sourced from people that are getting paid to have their hair cut off,
right.
Which is really something that I find very interesting.
Yeah.
You know, working with and knowing other brands in the past that I've worked with, you don't really traditionally know where the hair is coming from. It's sometimes women are going to their temples to pray to their gods at a certain age or different things like that, cut off their hair. They don't know that this hair is being turned around and being made use in these, you know, in North American industries.
Yeah, no, I think that makes a big difference, and I think just the way the world is now, it's always good to be more aware of where you're getting your products from, and I think that definitely makes Harloc stand out.
You know, I think it's better for consumers to know where their product is coming from, to understand that this is not just a quality product once it's in their head, but where the hair is coming from is also being taken care of as well as the customer. So from start to finish, we love that our company, we stand behind everything that it does.
Yeah, I think that's really important. That's why I love extensions that can match to your own hair texture, because especially like being a mom, like on the normal day during the week, like you want to look nice, but you don't want to take all the time to style your hair. So if I can just like put in some products and just let it air dry and it look good, then I'm very happy.
And it's nice because this is so like airy. When you receive these hair extensions, you aren't getting anything. There's no silicone, no filler, no nothing coating them. So do you feel like what you see is what you get with them, which is really nice?
Yeah. I literally cannot stop touching them.
I know, like, I can tell you're not focused on conversation when you're just
They're just
grazing
so
your hair.
soft.
So Mara, being a new mom, like, how is that?
I love being a mom.
Yeah.
I could have like 10 kids.
You would
I don't know. The
You are
pregnancy thing
such
is
a great
hard.
mom.
I love being a mom. I've always wanted to be a mom. That's kind of like what I always thought my purpose was. Like, I have passions, but I think my purpose is mom.
Mom life.
Mom
I mean,
life.
Iverson is the sweetest little man.
He's
so smiley.
precious. I just like look at him and I'm like, are you mine? Like, I just love him. I'm obsessed. I mean, when I first met you, Sarah, I was, I think, fresh from like a European summer trip.
Whirlwind.
So I don't think my hair was in the best shape, but I will say before I left for the trip, it was a very last minute thing of I want long hair now because I like had really short hair during COVID, and then all of a sudden I'm like, wait, I'm going to Europe, I need to be flipping my hair around. So I like went to like your nearest local like hair shop and just like bought hair there. So when I got those taken out when I came to see you, and I remember being like, can you help me in my hair? And you put in the Harloc, and I was like, this is how it should feel. Like if you're gonna be putting someone else's hair basically in your hair, like you want it to be luxurious. If it could just permanently go into my head. I'm like, can you put it into my scalp?
Can you install this on my scalp?
Can you make it so it grows out of my head?
Hair injections.
You never
Maybe
know.
not, but maybe we should
You
come up with
never
something
know.
like that.
You never
I feel
know.
like the Jetsons probably had something and we just haven't gotten to that phase of life yet.
Everything comes from somewhere, Sarah. Yeah, no, hair can be really intimidating, like especially nowadays with social media, and you just see all these like perfect images of all these like, you know, photoshopped whatever, but when I have hair extensions in that are good hair extensions, I feel so confident, and I feel like that's why I'm so obsessed with hair, because it is like a confidence boost, right?
It's like, it's the cherry on top.
Like,
You know, like,
it's
I
just
could
like-
have my hair and makeup done, I could have my fit on, but I'm like, once I have my extensions in, I'm like, there she is.
It's just like a whole new, yeah, it's just really, I mean, people who know me know that I'm just like obsessed with anything beauty, whether it's hair, skincare, makeup, whatever. And I'm very picky, so I think that just goes to show Harloc is best of the best.
Oh, appreciate it.
You're welcome.
You are best of the best.
No, you are.
Oh, there she is.
So pretty.
Mom is coming together. Here we are with today's finished look of our Harloc Fusion extensions. Thank you so much again for joining us. Hope that you've learned a couple new things about our company and enjoyed the time that Mara and I spent together. Thank you so much for being here today with us, Mara.
Oh my gosh, thank you for having me. I feel like a hair goddess with this luxurious hair.
Looks
And
beautiful.
I love it.
Keep coming back. If you have any questions, slide in our DMs. Thank you again. See you soon.